After days of unrest in Bangladesh, we're finally seeing a caretaker government taking shape. And at the helm is the new Prime Minister Muhammad Yunus. He's now carried out a big Hindu outreach today. Yunus met with Hindus at the Dakeshwari temple after a series of targeted attacks against the minorities there across Bangladesh and has sought cooperation. Yunus has urged for patience as his new government takes shape. Remember, it's India Today's cameras that showed the real picture of atrocities against many of the minority Hindus there in Bangladesh as part of those riots that took place for a whole week that killed hundreds and several Hindus who were deliberately targeted.
বিমানবন্দরে নেমে যেটা বললাম যে এমন বাংলাদেশ আমরা করতে চাচ্ছি যেটা আমরা এক পরিবার, এটি হলো মূল জিনিস। আপনারা বলেন যে আমরা মানুষ, আমি বাংলাদেশের মানুষ, আমার সাংবিধানিক অধিকারে আমাকে দিতে হবে। সব সরকারের কাছে এটাই যাবেন, আর কিছু দেয় না।
বলেছি আর উপদেষ্টার তো 1 মিনিট সময় নেই। ধন্যবাদ আমাদের এই জাতীয় মন্দিরে, ঐতিহাসিক মন্দিরে আসার জন্য আমাদের প্রধান উপদেষ্টা এবং সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা। 1 মিনিট যেহেতু আমি শুধু একটা কথা বলার জন্য যে বৈষম্য বিরোধী আন্দোলনের মধ্য দিয়ে নতুন যুগের সূচনা হয়েছে। বৈষম্যটা এক বিরাট ক্যানভাস, ধর্ম ভিত্তিক বৈষম্য, সমাজে বৈষম্য, আর্থিক বৈষম্য, ধর্মান্ধতায় এবং সবকিছু মিলিয়ে এই বিশাল ক্যানভাসটা উনি লেখালেখি করেন বলে আমি ওনার সঙ্গে আগেও আলাপ করেছি। এই ক্যানভাসটা দূর করতে হবে।
Now, the police have returned to Dhaka streets today after ending their protests. The officers resumed their duties following discussions with the government, who's assured them of no attacks from protesters. India Today's Ashutosh, who's right there at the epicenter, brings us this ground report.
After violent and deadly clashes, the series of violence between the protesters and the police personnel, the entire law and order force which was disappeared has now making appearance on the road. After virtually talks with the government, the protesters and the police organization, finally the police has called off their strike. They have been given assurance by the protesters, by the students, civil society and the government that they will be protected. There will be no harm to them. And that has changed the situation in the old city, one of the most chaotic area of traffic. I see the change in situation where the police has back to the roads, resumed their duty, and that has led to a better management on the security terms. And if I could say, in an old city or across Dhaka, even traveling virtually for 2 kilometers, it could take more than a couple of hours often, as the traffic was being managed by the students, civil society members, scouts, BNCC and all other organizations. But now the situation has changed after the assurance by the public, by the government, by the administration and the new interim government. Finally, the police is back on the road. They are resuming the duties. The protests almost has finished all over, while the biggest challenge is now to carry out the investigation in the cases of assault and atrocities against the minorities, which of course will be the primary duty. But the biggest challenge was to bring the confidence of the people in the public, and that looks like happening at the moment in Dhaka, where the policemen have resumed the duty. In Old City Dhaka, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.